Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the January-February Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life is geared for pocket page scrapbooking, but it's great for traveler's notebooks, memory planning, traditional scrapbooking, just anything that you want to use it for. It coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it's also a great add-on for more pattern paper and embellishments to that kit. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that's in this month's kit. Starting with the pattern paper that you'll receive, you're going to receive 3 sheets of the 6x8 pattern paper from 49th and Market. This is really heavy, and I love it. Just look at those gorgeous designs. The back is a text print. I have more florals, botanicals, and just love that rooster. That was gorgeous. Another rooster and a chicken. Black canvas on the back. The rest of your papers are cut apart sheets. So from Bella Boulevard, our love song, we have this one's called Daily Details. So we have some 3x4 and a 4x6 and then tags across the top. The back is a turquoise striped and white. From Snowed In, from Echo Park, we have the 4x6. I just love the colors in this with the lighter blue and the dark navy blue and the wood grains. Love it. Sweater weather. The back is all of those blues with polka dots. From Photo Play Paper, Little Chef, we have this paper called Num Num Num, which is 4x6 and 3x4 cut aparts. Perfect for all your documenting of your baking. The back is this fun gingham checked design in all of the different colors. From Pink Fresh, Simply the Best, we have this cut apart. Theirs are always unique because they give you all different sizes. I love these long skinny ones here. Great for documenting day-to-day memories. The back is a green plaid. From My Valentine, from Cartabella, we have the 3x4 cut aparts. Just gorgeous colors, that textured cardstock. Beautiful florals on the back. I love how, well, you can't see it. I got it off screen, but I love, we'll look at that in a minute, but loving how the backs of all of these papers look together. Okay, so Cupid's Sweetheart from Photo Play Paper, 3x4s, 4x6s. Super cute. Love the farm truck. The back is a diagonal stripe. And then from Simple Stories, we have the Simple Vintage Winter Woods, 3x4 cut aparts. Again, I love these colors. Soft, muted, gorgeous. And the back is this awesome snowflake pattern. So one more look at your pattern papers. Look how pretty those are together. And then that over here with the blue, but even that, you can cross over so many different of those pattern papers. And don't forget your 49th and Market. So jam-packed full of pattern papers. Now let's take a look at all of the embellishments. The embellishments for your collections include these epoxy stickers. These will go with your Bella Boulevard, Our Love Story. And then for Echo Park's Snowed In, you're going to get a third a pack of the frames and tags. So all of these embellishments will vary except for this one. But this is what I received. For Simply the Best from Pink Fresh, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy stickers. So that's always a lot of fun. For the Photo Play Paper Little Chef, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So I received the orange alphabet. You'll also get a roll of washi tape, which those will vary, and I got an orange polka dot. For the 49th and Market collection, you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. So these, I'm just in love with them. I got a title, there's several little tags, and then some little word phrases, and the little bumblebee in the heart. Super cute. From Cartabella, My Valentine, you're going to get the frames and tags. So you're going to get the entire pack of those. It's just jam-packed full of embellishments. You're also going to receive half a pack of the little black sprinkles here and some Simple Stories chipboard pieces to coordinate with your Winter Woods collection. So that is all of the embellishments in your Shots of Life this month. One more look at your Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month. because it coordinates with these collections, and there are 3 add-ons, so you can get more patterned paper, cardstock, and embellishments that coordinates with these. We also have several other kits. Check those out. Come join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Join in some challenges. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.